Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss paper number 261 quantity aptitude. See the first question, x square plus 9x minus 22 is equal to 0. Second one, 2y square minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. For the first thing we can take the factors as 11 and minus 2, and so it will be, the answers will be minus 11 and plus 2. Here 16 into 2 32, so 6 into 2 12. You can take minus 4 minus 3, then our answer will be 4 by 2, that is 2, 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So here minus 11, it is less than both 2 and 1.5. So x less than y, and plus 2 is greater than 1.5. Therefore x greater than y. Therefore we can say there is no relation. See the next question, 32nd question, 2y square minus 13y minus 34 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 11x plus 20 0. Now for this what we have to take? 2y square minus 13y minus 34. Here we can take the factors as minus 17 and plus 4. The difference of 17 and 4 is 13 and the product is 68. Then our answer will be 17 by 2, that is 8.5, minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Here 20 into 3 60, we can take 15 and minus 4. The answers will be minus 15 by 3, that is minus 5, and it is 4 by 3. So if you see here 1 plus 1 minus, here 1 minus 1 plus, therefore the answer is no relation. See the next question, x power 4 is equal to 256, therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. Then y square minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. We can take minus 8 minus 8. So y value will be 8. Therefore x is less than y. Next question, x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we can take plus 6 and minus 2, because the difference is 4, the product is 12. Our answers will be minus 6 and plus 2. Here we can take plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 7, and 4 into 3 12. Answers minus 4 by 2, that is 2, minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1.5. Here minus 6 is less than minus 2 and minus 1.5. Therefore x is less than y, and 2 is greater than minus 2, x greater than y. Again the answer is no relation. See the next question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, 4x plus 5y is equal to 6. The first equation we will multiply with 2, therefore it becomes 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. The second equation, 4x plus 5y is equal to 6. If you do the minus, y is equal to 2, then substitute y is equal to 2 in any one of the equation, that is 2x means 4 plus 3y is equal to 4. Therefore 2x plus 3y, that means 2x plus 6 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to minus 2, x value minus 1, therefore x is less than y. The answer is x is less than y. Next question, see the next question, study the line graph, then answer the question. So here we are given with 5 things, the number of shopkeepers, that is A, B, C, D. We are having 4 shopkeepers, A, B, C, D, and we are having the years 2015, 2016. Now based on this, first of all we should write down the values in the form of a table. After that we will go to the questions. See here, if you see the values, each single line is equal to 2 units, that is this is 140, 142, 144, 146, 148, 150. So each single line is equal to 2 units. Therefore this is equal to 158, this is equal to 168, and here it is 160, 178. This will be 172, 190. This will be 162 and 164. Now see, 2015 is blue, 2016 is orange color. Now A 158, 168, B 160, 178. C, it is 190 and 172. D, it is 162 and 164. Now based on this we should answer the question. Find the average number of pens sold by C and D in both the years. C, it is 190 plus 172, 362. D, 162 plus 164, 326. So total is 688. We want average. 688 by 2, that is 344. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question. See the next question. Find the ratio of the pens sold by B and C in 2015. Find the ratio of the pens sold by B and C in 2015 to that of pens sold by B and C in 2016. Now B and C 2015, that is 160 plus 190, 350. Now 2016, this is 2015. Now 2016 it is 178 and 172, that is again 350. So what is the ratio? If they both are same, it is 1:1. 1:1 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question. The number of pens sold by A and C in 2016 is how much percent more than B in 2015? A and C in 2016, that is 168 plus 172, that is how much? 340. B in 2015, 160. So what is the difference? See here, it will be equal to 34, 16. 34 is nothing but 17. This is nothing but 8. Now the question is, 17 is how much more than 8? 17 is more than 8 by 9. So 9 by 8 is always equal to 112.5. Always remember 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5. 9 by 8 is equal to 112.5. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. The number of pens sold by ACD in 2015. The number of pens sold by ACD in 2015. 2015 ACD. So 158 plus 190 plus 162. So 8 plus 2, 10, 7, 16, 21, 510. It is how much more or less than in 2016? 2016 we are having 168, then 172, then 164. So we will be having 504. So this is how much less than the difference of 510 and 504 is how much? 6. 6 is the correct answer. Next question. Find the total number of all the shopkeepers in 2016. So 2016 all shopkeepers means 168 plus 178. See the values, 168, 178, 172 and 164. If you add this, 14, 4 plus 2, 6, 14, 22. 2 plus 6, 8, 15, 22, 28. Then it is 6. 682. 682. Next question. We have to find what will come in the place of the question mark. X, 5, 20, 120, 960, 9600. See here. Into 4, into 6, into 8. That means this will be into 2. 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 2.5. 2.5 is the correct answer. Next question. 20, question mark, 32, 44, 60, 80. So here what should come in the place of the question mark? So this is 12, this is 16, this is 20, this will be equal to 8. So 32 minus 8 is equal to 24. 24 is the correct answer. Next question, 43. 0, 8, 24, 48, question mark, 120. So 8 can be written as 3 square minus 1. This is 3 square minus 1. This is 5 square minus 1. This is 7 square minus 1. This can be written as 9 square minus 1, that is 80. 80 is the correct answer. Next question. Question mark 6, 4, 6, 22 and 174. Now what should come in the place of the question mark? See here, this is into 1 minus 2. This is into 2 minus 2. this is into 4 minus 2, 122, 244. So this will be into 0.5 minus 2. So 0.5x is equal to 8, x is equal to 16. 8 by 0.5 is nothing but 16. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question. 55, 63, 76, then 95, 121 question mark. 121 question mark. So here what should come in the place of the question mark? What should come in the place of the question mark? See here 55, 63. The difference is 8. Here 13. Here 19. Here 26. Then it will be, so 5 difference, 6 difference, 7, 8. That is 34. 121 plus 34 is 155. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question. See the next question. The difference between the simple interest received in 1.5 years at the rate of 24% per annum and that in 3.5 at the rate of 12.5 per annum is 1440. Find the sum. So 1.5 24%. So 24 into 1.5, that is 36. Now 3.5 12. So 12 into 3.5, that is 42. So here what is given? This is 42. The difference of this is 14. The difference of 36 and 42, it is 6x by 100. That is given as 1440. Now 6 2s, 6 4s. So x value is 24,000. 24,000 is the correct answer. Next, find the total distance covered by the boat. Find the total distance covered by the boat in still water. In still water, if in 8 hours, if the speed of the boat in if the speed of the boat in upstream and downstream is 10 and 15 respectively. Here upstream speed is 10, downstream speed is 15. Now what will be boat speed? Boat speed will be equal to 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Stream speed will be equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Now find the total distance covered by the boat in still water. So still water boat speed is 12.5 speed and it in how many hours? 8 hours. So total distance is 100 kilometers. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. See the next one. Income of B is 8,000 more than income of A. Saving of B is equal to expenditure of A and expenditure of B is 80% of the income of A. Then find the difference between expenditure of B and saving of A. Now here A income X, let's suppose. B income it is 8,000 more. So 8,000 plus X. Then what is given? Expenditure of B is 80% of the income of A. So B expenditure is 80%. 80% means 4x by 5 or 0.8x. 0.8x. That is 80% of income of A. Then what will be B saving? B is saving the difference of this and this. X minus 0.8x is 0.2x plus 8,000. This is B saving. Similarly, the saving of B is equal to expenditure of A. So A expenditure is equal to saving of B, that is 0.2x plus 8,000. Therefore, A saving will be equal to x minus 0.2x 0.8x minus 8,000. Minus 8,000. This is A saving. This is B saving. Now what is given? What is given? Find the difference between expenditure of B and saving of A. Expenditure of B, that is what is given? 0.8x. And saving of A, that is how much? 0.8x minus 8,000. So 0.8x cancel, minus into minus plus, the difference is 8,000. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. A alone can do the work in 12 days while A and B can do the work in 8 days. So here we have to find the LCM of 12 and 8 first. This is 12, this is 8. LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. That means A efficiency is equal to 24 by 12, 3. A plus B is equal to 24 by 8, that is 3. Therefore, B efficiency is equal to 1. B efficiency 1. A efficiency 2, A plus B 3, B efficiency 1. Now, what is given? Both started working together. If A and B both are starting the work together, their efficiency will be equal to how much? If both are starting the work, both started the work together, and after some days B left the work for 6 days. Suppose A is working for X days, A efficiency 2 working for X days, and B is leaving the work for 6 days. So, B worked for X minus 6 days and B efficiency 1. In this manner they completed the total work is 24. Now, if you do this, 2x plus x minus 6, 24, 3x is equal to 30, x value 10. How much time they will be taking to complete the work? So, total they will be completing the work in how many days? 10 days. 10 is the correct answer. 10 is the correct answer. Next, the base of the right angle triangle is having the area 90 centimeter square is 3 more than the height. So, perpendicular side. So, this is the perpendicular side. This is x, suppose. Base is 3 more. So, x plus 3. Here the area is 90 centimeters. So, half of base into x is equal to 90. Now, x square plus 3x is equal to 180. X square plus 3x minus 180 is equal to 0. The difference should be equal to 3 and it should be equal to 180. So, minus plus 15 minus 12. Answer is 12. That means x value 12, x plus 3 is 15. Find the area of the square whose side is 80% of the base. Base is 15. Base is how much? 15. So, base is 15 and we want how much? 40%. 40% means 4 by 5. So, that is equal to how much? 12. 12 is the side of the square. 12 is the side of the square. Area is 144. 144 is the correct answer. We don't have that, none of these. Next one, 51 to 60. See the first one. 512 by x into 6 is equal to 192. Now, do the calculation. 6 3s, 6 2s. Now, 32 1s, 32 6. So, x value 16. 16 is the correct answer. Next question, 52. 432 by 48. 432 by 48 into 602 by 86 is equal to how much? Now, 86 1s, 86 7s. 48 1s, 48 9s. So, 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 7 is how much? 63. Next question. 37 1 by 2 means 3x by 8 minus 28 is equal to 89. Therefore, 3x by 8 is equal to 117. 3 3s, 3 9s. X value 39 into 8, that is 312. 2 is the correct answer. 1 3 by 5. 1 3 by 5 means 8 by 5. 1 3 by 5 means 8 by 5 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 2 into x is equal to 150. 8 8 cancel, 5 5 cancel. Now, 3 1s, 3 2s, 5 1s, 5 30s. 30 into 4. What is 30 into 4? 120. 120 is the correct answer. Next question, 55. 55. 2.16 into 31.25 divided by 27 is equal to x. Now, do the calculation. Here 27 ones, 27 into 0.08. So, 3125 into 8, 8 5 is 40, 20, 10, 25. You should keep the point after 3 places. So, it is 4 places, it is 2.5. This is 2 places, this is 2 places. So, keep the point after 4 place, it is 2.5. 2.5 is the correct answer. See the next question, 56th question. 6080 divided by 19. So, 6080 divided by 19. 19 3 is 57, 19 2 is 320. 320 is equal to x by 100 into 256. 16 16s, 16 20s, 4 4s, 4 25s. Now how much we are going to get? So 4 1s, 4 5s. So x is equal to 125. 125 is the correct answer. Next question 57. 48 by 100 into 625 divided by 0.75. 0.75 means 3 by 4. It will be equal to 4 by 3. Now do the calculation. 25 4s, 25 25s. 4 and 4 cancel. 3 1s, 3 16s. We are left out with 25 into 16. That is equal to 400. 5 is the correct answer. Next question 58. 0.075% of 8,800. So multiply 0.075 with 88 first. Do this calculation. See, 75 into 88. 8 5 is 40, 56 60. This is also equal to 60. So 6,600. We have to keep the point. So it is 6.6 minus 1.9, that is equal to 4.7. See the next one. 4 by 9 of 1080 divided by 5 is equal to x minus 28. See this calculation. 9 1s, 9 2s, 5 1s, 524. So 96 plus 28, 124. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. 3280 plus x by 160 is equal to 50. So 3280 plus x is equal to 8000. X value 8000 minus 3280, that is equal to 4720. 2 is the correct answer. Next, the average age of Megha and Ritu is 18 years. Therefore, Megha plus Ritu is equal to 36. 6 years hence Megha will be, so m plus 6 will be 2 of Ritu age at that time, 2 of r plus 6. Therefore, m plus 6 is equal to 2r plus 12, or else m minus 2r is equal to 6. This is the first equation, this is second equation. We want Megha age. So multiply this one with 2. Therefore, 2m plus 2r is equal to 72. m minus 2r is equal to 6. So 3m is equal to 78. M value 26. Megha value 26. Next, Neeraj and Arun, they started a business by investing in the ratio of 3:5. So here we are having Neeraj, Arun. They are investing in the ratio of 3:5. So one is 3x, other one will be 5x. After 4 months, Arun withdraw 1/5 of the investment. So this is for 4. After 4 months, it will be 4x because he is withdrawing 1/4, and it will be for 12. Therefore, this is 36. This is 20 plus 32, 52. So 4 9s, 4 13s. 9 is to 13. Total annual profit 8,880. Find Neeraj. Neeraj means 9 by 22. That is how much we are going to get? 360. 2 is the correct answer. In how many different ways can the letters of the word danger be arranged? Danger is a 6-letter word. It can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 720. 6 into 5 30, 120, 360, 720. Next question. In a 64-liter mixture of milk and water, the water and milk is 3:5. In this 64, water milk will be 3:5, 8. So this is 24. This is 40. Milk will be 40. Now, if x liters of water is added, so 24 plus x by 40, the ratio is becoming 5 by 8. 8 ones, 8 5s. So x value will be equal to 1 because 5 into 5 25, 25 minus 4 1. So x is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is the correct answer. Next question, see the last one for quantitative aptitude, then we will start reasoning. What will be the single discount equal to 2 successive discounts of 25 and 24? So discount of 25 means minus 25, discount of 24 minus 24. So we are using the formula x plus y plus xy by 100. So since it is a discount, I am keeping minus symbol. This is also minus symbol. Then plus minus 25 minus 24. Product is how much? 25 into 24 by 100. This is minus 49. This is 6. So minus 43. Minus 43 means 43% discount. 43% discount. Now we will see the reasoning ability. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. 8 persons are sitting around a rectangular table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners, 4 sit in the middle. The person sitting at the corner face to the center, while person sitting in the middle they face outside the center. A is sitting second to the right of F. 2 persons are there between F and H. H is not the neighbor of A. C is on the immediate left of D. D is on the middle of one of the side. B sits to the immediate right of G. G sits at one of the corners of the table. E is sitting second to the left of B. Now there are totally 8 persons sitting around a rectangular table. So what we need to do is, so here those who are sitting at the corner they face to the center. Those who are sitting in the middle they face outside. So draw 2 rectangles or 2 squares like this. Those who are sitting in the corner they are facing to the center. This is corners facing to the center. Those who are sitting in the middle they face outside. This is facing outside. Now A is sitting second to the right of F. See the first thing, A is sitting second to the right of F. So write down F. A is sitting second to the right. Here F I am writing. A is sitting second to the right of F. That means A is sitting second to the left of F. 2 persons are there between F and H. Between F and H there are how many persons? 2 persons. Here I am taking to the left side. Here what you need to do, you take to the right side, H. And H is not the neighbor of A. In both the cases H is not the neighbor of A. Now see the next one. D is at the middle of one of the table. C is to the immediate left of D. That means C is to the right of D. So here if I take D, C is to the immediate left of D. Since D is facing away, C is to the immediate right of D. In the second case what I will do, you take D anywhere. C is to the immediate right of D. C is to the immediate left of D. That means immediate right of D. C is to the immediate right of D. If I take D here, if I take C is to the immediate left means C should be immediate right. So I can't take C here. If I take D here, C I should take here. So this is wrong. Second one is completely wrong. Now B is to the immediate right of G. B is to the immediate right of G. G is at one of the corners. So here we will get G. Here we will get B because B is at one of the corners. E is sitting second to the left of B. That means E is sitting second to the right of B. This is the correct arrangement. Now we have to go to the questions. Now we will see the question. So this is the figure we got. See, those who are sitting in the corner they are facing to the center, middle facing outside. F, E, A, D, C, H, G, B. How many persons are there between G and F when you count to the left side of F? So this is F. When you count to the left side of F, between F and G, how many persons are there? There is only one person. There is only one person sitting. So 1 is the correct answer. 1. Which of the following is true regarding B? B is opposite to D. That is correct. G is on the immediate right of B. That is also correct. So both are correct means all are true will be the option because there is no other option like 1 and 2 are true. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to a group? See here based on the arrangement you should take. F, it is in the corner. B, it is in the middle. G, again it is in the corner. A, corner. C, corner. So B is the odd one out. Who is facing G? So who is facing G? A. If D and E interchange their places, here we will get D, here we will get E. Then who is to the second to the left of E? So who is second to the left of E? Now who is second to the left of E means second to the right of E. That person is H because E is facing away the center. So H is the correct answer. We will get the answer H. H is the correct answer. See the next one. Here one letter number symbol series is there. You have to answer the question based on this letter number symbol series. See the first one. How many numbers are there in the above series which is followed by symbol but not preceded by letter? So number symbol should be there, but it should not be preceded by letter. So in how many cases we are getting? You see the series. We will get the first one 7 5 at 4. 7 5 at 4. Number followed by symbol, but it is not preceded by letter. Next we will get at 4 8 percentage. At 4 8 percentage. This one, the second one. This is the first one. So this is second one. Next we will get 6 5 at 4. 6 5 at 4. Next we will get double 3 exclamatory mark. So we are getting 4 more than 3. Which of the following is 9th to the left of 10th from the right? That is 19th from the right. So count the 19th element from right. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 19th one is at 4. 19th one is which one? At 4. This is the 19th one. So at 4 is the correct. If all the symbols are dropped from the above arrangement, which is second to the right of 17th element from left? So that is 19th element from left. Count the 19th element from left and we should remove all the symbols. We should remove all the symbols. Symbols should be removed. Symbols should be removed and we should count the 19th element. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 19th one, yes. 19th one is yes. Yes is the correct answer. Next question. See the next one. How many letters are there in the above series which is preceded by symbol and followed by odd number? So first see the question carefully. How many letters? I am doing the 74th. Letters are there which is preceded by symbol followed by odd number. So in how many cases we are getting like this? Symbol, letter, odd number. Symbol, letter, odd number. See, we are getting in only one case, that is at for D3. At for is a symbol followed by D followed by 3, that is the odd number. So only one. That means option will be 4. 4 is the correct answer. See the next one. See the next question. How many even numbers are there? See the question. How many even numbers are there between the elements which is 13th from right and 14th from left? So first we have to count 13th element from right, then 14th element from left. See the series carefully. So count the 13th element from right. From right 13th element. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13th element from right is J. That is J. Then 14th element from left. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 14th one D. So between D and G, how many even numbers are there? Now we got these two things. This is D and this is J. Between D and J, how many even numbers? Only one even number, that is 8. Only one even number, that is 8 will come. So only one is the correct answer. Only one. Only one means option will be equal to 1. Next question. How many pairs of letters are there in the word consistent, each of which has as many letters between them in the English alphabetical series? Now see here. O, P, Q, R, S. O, S. O, S. O, S is the first pair. Similarly, S, T, that is the second pair. Similarly, O, P, Q, R, S, T, that means O, T. O, T is the third pair. O, T is the third pair. Next, N, O, P, Q, R, S. N, S. N, S is the next pair. Next we are having N, O. N, O is the next pair. So how many pairs we are getting? 5 pairs we are getting. 5 is the correct answer. Next question, 77 to 80. These are syllogisms. This you have to draw by using the Venn diagrams. First one. Only table is chair. That means all chair are table. Some table is arm. Only few arm is handle. Only few arm is handle. Now some handle can be table. Here some handle can be table does not follow, because only table is chair. That means only chair is table. So that means nothing other one is related to table. So some handle can be table does not follow. All arm can be chair. All arm this one. Some handle can be table. Here only table is chair is given. Only table is chair means all arm can be chair does not follow. This one does not follow. Only table should be chair and no other is related. Some handle can be table. Nothing is related between handle and table. So can be indicates the possibility. So only one follows. Next. Only few drama is movie. Only few drama is movie. All movie is song. Only few song is dialogue. Next, all song can be dialogue. Only few song is dialogue means all song can be dialogue does not follow. Only few means both some and some not. Some movie are not drama. Here some movie are not drama we can't say. We can say some movie are drama, but we can't say some movie are not drama. So second one also does not follow. See 79 question. All city is state. All state is country. Only few country is rich. Now some state are rich does not follow. Some state can be rich. This one definitely follows. Second one definitely follows. See 80th question. Only pearl is gold. That means all gold is pearl. Some pearl is diamond. No diamond is silver. No diamond is silver. No diamond is gold. Here only pearl should be gold. So no diamond is gold definitely follows. Some silver can be pearl. Some silver can be pearl. Here there is no relation between silver and pearl. So any possibility definitely follows. You see first one carefully. Only pearl should be gold. No other one should be gold. That's why no diamond is gold definitely follows. Here both 1 and 2 follows. Option will be 5. Next 81 to 85. 7 persons are born in different months of the same months, that is January, March, May, June, July, September, October. 2 persons are there between V and P. P was born in one of the month having 30 days. T was born immediately after Q. Then only 2 persons are there between. Only 2 persons are there between Q and R. S was born after R and before U and before U. R was born before Q but not in January. So this is the information we are having. Now you see we are having the months. First one should be month. First one should be month. Next one person. Next one person. We will try to do in 2 column, 2 possibilities. So months. Below the months you write down, that is January, March, May, June, July, September, October. These are the months. January, March, May, June, July, September, October. Now if you come to the days, January will be having 31 days, March 31, May 31, June 30, July 31, September 30, October 31. Now P was born on one of the month having 30 days. P is 30 days means there are 2 options for P. It can be June or it can be September. Then 2 persons are there between V and P. Between V and P there are 2 persons. So between V and P there are 2 persons. We can draw one more possibility also. There might be coming one more possibility. We will check one more possibility also. What we will do is here same thing. You take P here. Now you take V here in the last. We will check. Then see the next one. T was born immediately after Q. T was born immediately after Q. Only two persons are there between Q and R. S was born after R and before U. See, two persons, T was born immediately after Q T. Two persons are there between Q and R. So like that it might come, or else it might come like this also, Q T, it might come like this also. Then S was born after R and before U. S was born after R but before U. This is other one. R was born before Q but not in January. R is born before Q. So this one is ruled out because R is born before Q. So this one is correct. Now you take R here. Take 2 gap Q. Immediately after Q T. Now after R S. After S U. Now in the second case, you see the second case also. So second case what we will do? So you take R. 2 gap we will get Q. Then we will get T. But after R it can be S U. After R it is S and it should be U. But it is given here, what is given? Why this one is wrong? See why this one is wrong. R was born before Q but not in January. So R is not in January. Here we got R in which month? January. So this one is ruled out. Second one is not correct. Now you see the third one. So first R. Take 2 gap Q. Next T. But after R there should be S and U. But we can't get S and U here. So this one is also ruled out. So this one is only correct. Now come to the questions. See, months we are having January, March, May, June, July, September, October. So V, R, S, P, Q, T, U. If V is related to May, P is related to September, Q is related to October. So October is the correct. Which is true? Which of the following is true? 3 persons are there between P and U. Q was born in July. Second one is correct. V was born before S. Third one is correct. Both B and C. Then number of persons born after S is the same as the number of persons born before. So after S there are 4 persons. Before Q also there is 4 persons. Who is born in March? That is R. Who is born immediately after P? That is Q. Then see the next question, 86. Related to directions. This is related to directions. S is 5 meters to the west of K. I is 4 meters to the north of K. First of all, S is 5 meters to the west of K. This is S, this is K. This is 5 meters. I is 4 meters to the north of K. This is I, this is 4 meters. Then P is 4 meters to the 5 meters to the east of I. This is P. Then J is 4 meters to the south of P. This is J. Then F is 2 meters to the east. This is 2, this is F. Now based on this we should answer the questions. This is the total directions we got. What is the shortest distance between I and S? Between I and S, what is the shortest distance? This distance. So this is 5, this is 4. That is root of 5 square plus 4 square. 5 square plus 4 square. That is root 41. Root 41 is the correct. What is the direction of F with respect to I? Where is F with respect to I? That is on the south and to the right side, so southeast. What is the shortest distance between P and F? This distance P and F. This is 4, this is 2. Root of 4 square plus 2 square. That is root of 20. So how much we are going to get? Root 20. So root 20 is the correct answer. Root 20 means we can write root of 4 into 5. that is 2 root 5. 2 root 5 is the correct answer. 2 root 5. 20 can be written as 4 into 5. 4 root is to 2 root 5. Then 89 to 91. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. So here there are some books, 7 boxes. So write down the numbers from 1 to 7. They are kept one above the other. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will do this in 2 possibilities. See the first thing. There are 2 boxes between D and A. B is kept immediately above A. There are 2 boxes between D and A. B is kept immediately above A. So here you take A. B is kept immediately above A. 2 boxes between A and D. So this is D. This is the first case. And second case, what we will do? We will take A here. B is kept immediately above A. 2 boxes between A and D. Here we can take D. Then there are 2 boxes between B and C. Between B and C, 2 boxes. Here we will get C. C is kept above B, but here C is kept below B. So this one is wrong. This one is wrong. Then only one box is there between C and E. There is only one box between C and E. Again we can take the possibilities for this. For this we will take the possibilities. See, here we got A, here we got B, here we got D, C. Only one box between C and E. So we can take E afterwards, or we can take E before. So like this also we can take. Then G is kept above C but not adjacent to each other. So G we can take here. Here we are left out with F. So here we can take G here only, but G is not adjacent to each other. G and C, they should not be adjacent. So this is wrong. This one is correct. First place G, second F, third C, fourth D, fifth E, sixth B, seventh A. Now come to the questions. Four of the following 5 are like in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? See, GD 2 gap, FC no gap, DE no gap, BA no gap. So GD is the odd one out. Which is kept immediately above E? D. How many boxes are there between F and B? 3. Then see the next one, 92 to 95. This is greater than, lesser than. See, W greater than R less than T, T less than or equal to Y, F less than or equal to T, T greater than. See the first one, R greater than C. See, R less than T, T greater than C. Therefore, R less than C does not follow. Then F less than or equal to Y, F less than or equal to T, T less than or equal to Y. Therefore, F less than or equal to Y definitely follows. 93 question. Q less than A less than or equal to Z, Z less than C, C greater than M, M greater than or equal to U. Now, Z less than M, Z less than C, C greater than M. This one does not follow. U greater than or equal to Z. From Z to U, again there is no common symbol. Neither one nor 2. That is the correct answer. Neither 1 nor 2 is the correct answer. Next, 94. C greater than M, M greater than or equal to L, L greater than or equal to T, T less than X, X less than or equal to B. Now T less than B does not follow. T greater than B does not, T less than or equal to B does not follow, but these two are complementary pairs. These two are complementary pairs. Why? Because these two are not complementary pairs. T to B only less than follows. So T less than B only will follow. These two are not complementary pairs also. Neither 1 nor 2. Next, 95. Y less than N, N less than or equal to C, C greater than X, X greater than A greater than Z, Z greater than or equal to P. C greater than P. From C to P greater than follows. Z less than C, C to Z, C greater than Z or Z less than C definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next one. There are 10 persons, LMN, OP, they are sitting in row 1, row 2. Now we are having 2 rows. LMN OP, row 1 facing south direction. This is LMN OP. And here we are having STUV W facing north direction. Now see the first point from where we should start the puzzle. Now you see for the point where 1 is at extreme end, V is sitting at one extreme end. So V is sitting on one extreme end, we can take V here or we can take V here. Then one person is there between U and V. This is U, this is U. Then L sits to the right of the one who faces U. So who faces U? L is on the immediate right, here L. So here we will get L. Then M sits thought to the left of N. M is sitting thought to the right of N. This is N, N right third M. So here we will get N, N right third M. Then T is to the immediate left of W. T is to the immediate left of W. Here T is to the immediate left of W, S. Here T is to the immediate left of W, S. But M does not face S. Here M is facing which person? S. So this one is wrong. Okay. Then O is not at extreme end. So O will come here. We are left out with P. So this is the correct arrangement. Now come to the questions. V S U T W. Now, which of the following pairs sit at extreme ends of the row? So, who is sitting at extreme ends? Extreme ends, who are the two persons sitting? P, M, they are not at extreme end. V, M, N, S, V, P. V, P are the extreme ends. Fourth one. 4 of the following fire alike in a certain way and hence which is the one that does not? L opposite S, O opposite U, T opposite is not P. So, T opposite is not P. Who is sitting? Which of the following? Who on the following sits to the immediate left of the person who faces S? Who faces S? L. L immediate left means L immediate right, that is O. Then, which is not true regarding M? So, regarding M, which is not true? P is to the immediate left of M, that is true only. L is sitting second to the right of M, that is true only. W faces M, that is not true. So, only C is not true. How many persons are there between P and N? Between P and N, how many persons are there? 3 persons. 3 is the correct answer. So, with this we completed the today's paper, that is 261. Tomorrow we will start the new paper.